Most professionals work hard. Very few actually move forward. The difference isn't intelligence or discipline. It's knowing what effort actually produces progress and what just feels productive. Effort is visible. Hours worked, tasks completed, meetings attended. Progress is quieter. It doesn't announce itself, and that's why people confuse the two. Most systems reward activity signals, not leverage. Not decision quality, not long-term positioning. So professionals learn to optimize for motion instead of direction. When effort isn't connected to leverage, it creates fatigue. Not physical exhaustion, cognitive exhaustion. You are busy but unclear. Active but stalled. That's the cost of misdirected effort. Real progress does one thing first. It reduces friction. Decisions become cleaner. Trade-offs becomes obvious. You stop second-guessing yourself. This usually happens before anything changes externally. The moment effort aligns with progress, something shifts internally. You stop chasing approval. You stop reacting to noise. Your work becomes selective instead of scattered. Quiet professionals often appear slower until suddenly they aren't. That's because their efforts compounds, it stacks. It reinforces itself instead of resetting every week. Clarity accelerates faster than raw effort. Once you know what not to do, progress speeds up naturally. Most people never reach this point because they never slow down enough to find it. Effort is an input, progress is an outcome. Confusing the two creates long-term careers with very little leverage. Quiet growth begins when you judge work by direction, not intensity. The shift isn't about doing more. It's about doing work that doesn't need explaining. Quiet professionals don't broadcast effort. They let outcomes speak later. If your progress feels boring, uneventful, or invisible, that's often a sign you are finally aligned. Effort shouts. Progress whispers, and whispering scales better than noise.